Most passive income is a lie. You've seen the videos. The lazy ways to make thousands while you sleep. But here's the truth. Most of it is just a full-time job in disguise. So I decided to stop guessing. I spent the last 30 days testing 5 of the most popular passive income side hustles. I put in the hours, I spent the money, and I tracked every single cent. I'm not a guru selling you a course. I'm just someone who hates wasting time on scams. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 4 ideas are a complete waste of your energy, and the one single method that actually put money in my pocket. Let's get into the numbers. You've seen the videos. The ones where some 22-year-old in a rented Lamborghini tells you that you can make $10,000 a month while you sleep. It sounds like a dream, right? Wake up, check your phone, and see your bank account grew while you were dreaming. That's the passive income promise. But here's the part they don't tell you. Most of these passive streams are actually just low-paying second jobs in disguise. You spend 40 hours a week building a digital product that nobody buys. Or you waste months on a dropshipping store that costs more in Facebook ads than it makes in actual profit. It's exhausting. You're working harder than you do at your 9 to 5, but for a fraction of the pay. The truth is, the internet is flooded with gurus selling a lifestyle, not a strategy. They make their passive income by selling you a course on how to make passive income. It's a pyramid scheme wrapped in a PDF. It's a cycle of hope and disappointment. And while you're chasing these ghosts, your actual wealth is stagnating. Your savings aren't growing. Your debt isn't disappearing. You don't need more hacks. You need a reality check. Here is the deal. I didn't just read these ideas in a blog post. I put my own time and money on the line for 30 days. I wanted to see if passive income is a real wealth builder or just a marketing buzzword used to sell courses. Let's dive into the results. First up, print on demand. The promise is simple. You create a design, upload it to a shirt, and the platform handles the rest. I spent 10 hours designing minimalist finance tees. I uploaded them to Redbubble and Etsy. The result? 0 sales. The truth is, Pod isn't passive. It's a full-time marketing and design job in a saturated market. Unless you have a massive existing audience, this is a waste of time. Next, survey sites and microtasks. These are marketed as easy money from your couch. I tried 3 different platforms. After 2 weeks of clicking boxes and answering questions about laundry detergent, I made exactly $14. That is not passive income. That is a digital chore. You are trading your limited time for pennies. Avoid these. Then we have the High Yield Savings Account, or HYSA. Now this is different. This is the only truly passive option on the list. I moved $10,000 into a top-tier HYSA. I did 0 work. I didn't send a single email. At the end of the month, I earned $42 in interest. It's not get-rich-quick money, but it is guaranteed, risk-free, and requires 0 effort. If your money is sitting in a big bank savings account making 0.01%, you are losing money to inflation. Idea 4, low-ticket dropshipping. I tried the winning product strategy. I found a trending gadget, set up a Shopify store, and spent $200 on TikTok ads. I made $50 in sales. I actually lost money. Most gurus hide the ad spend in their screenshots. Dropshipping is a high-risk business, not a passive income stream. Finally, the winner, digital products. I created a simple, high-value budget tracker PDF. I spent 1 weekend building it in Canva. I set up a storefront on Gumroad. I shared the link in my bio and a few community forums. In 30 days, I made $450. Here is why this worked. I did the work once, and the product sold infinitely. This is the gold standard of passive income. High upfront effort, but 0 marginal cost per sale. So the final tally. 4 of these were a complete waste of time. But 1 actually worked, digital products. I made $420 in 30 days using a digital storefront. If you want to start your own, I've linked the platform I used in the description. Now, the biggest mistake people make is spending that profit immediately. Don't do that. I moved my earnings into a high-yield savings account to earn passive interest while I decide where to reinvest. You can open one via the link below. For those who want a truly set-it-and-forget-it approach, I use an automated investing app to build long-term wealth. Check the description for all 3 tools. If this reality check helped you avoid a scam, hit that subscribe button. Let's get you financially free.